Hi, and welcome to the Nemesis Wheel Clamp. If your centre cap is too large, or you have a large backing plate and are finding it difficult to attach the Nemesis Wheel Clamp, here are some tips for you. Firstly, attach the wheel clamp. There are two ways of doing this. If the wheel is thicker, it will sit on the interior of the rim face on both sides. If the wheel is narrower, it will hook onto the outer edge of the rim on both the inside and on the outside. Once attached, tighten until firmly secured. If your centre cap is protruding too much and you are having difficulty attaching the Nemesis arm, try removing the bolt. Carefully line up the Nemesis arm, making sure the bolt threads all the way through, then tighten. And finally, install the locking pin, with the lock facing downwards. Thank you for watching.